My name's Sarah Lawton, I'm the Director of Rise Construction Framework. We are a one-stop shop for capital works and services. Slightly different from other procurement frameworks because we exist for the benefit of our communities.
Safenet provide safe refuge and support to people who are experiencing domestic abuse within the home environment and within the community. We provide refuge space as well as advice to people if they are living with their own homes.
Without Rise, we wouldn't have as many hours for children's workers to be here, to be supporting the children that are coming into this service. And that would directly impact children and families who are victims of domestic abuse. Without Rise, the support wouldn't be there. And that would mean that there would be children who would not be getting one-to-one support, not be accessing groups that's good for their social and personal development. Because we also do parenting groups for the mums, things like that wouldn't be able to take place without the support from Rise.
I don't think I can quantify the gratitude that I personally feel, and I know that our organisation feels, about the support we receive from Rise, because the magnitude of the impact it has on our service and on the hundreds of children that we support each year has ripple effects that not only last the experience of our children, but their experiences to go on into their lives.
Develop is a personal development organisation, and we work with local people in the whole of Lancashire, Cheshire and South Lakes. We also do community engagement work to help people within communities to upskill, lower health inequalities and improve communities. If it wasn't for Rise, people wouldn't have been able to access that, there wouldn't have been any awareness and things wouldn't have happened. Thanks to Rise, they've managed to change more than, I think it's over 900 people's lives just over the last few months, which is remarkable. Rise has put a rise on Chorley East.
It's given me life.
It's changed and improved people's lives in the Chorley East area. And it's provided people with sustainable changes.
Without the community centre, we'd have nothing. And the more that we talk about it in our local area, the more people will come and join. I see more of the inside of this building than I do at home. Because when you're at home, it's depressing, but when you're here, you're with people.
Rise has supported our Mother Hub programme, which is a programme working with mothers with children under 2 and going through pregnancy. So the Mother Hub programme was set up to combat health inequalities for women from diverse communities who've experienced lack of support during pregnancy and in the perinatal stages. And we're thankful to Rise for playing its part and providing what the NHS couldn't, because there's lack of funding all around, but people are living in an economic crisis. So providing that support to community organisations like the Mother Hub is essential and critical. So Rise are making a massive difference to the lives of so many.
I'm very proud of Rise Construction Framework. 2024 will be a big year for us. It marks 9 years of us operating as a procurement framework. It will be the year that we will impact on just over 10,000 individuals, and we will have generated £1 million for investment into communities. It's special for us because when we first started on this journey, people were sceptical that we could do it, but it's been a journey of hard work, but a journey of massive impact, and a journey that we've been able to support the public sector, not just with procurement, but by investing in projects that have an impact on their frontline services. So, I mean, we just couldn't be any prouder, really.